Deep pore cleaning satisfying extraction. Deep pore cleaning is one of the most effective ways to remove blackheads and improve skin clarity. In today's video, we are performing a satisfying extraction treatment combined with deep cleansing. This process focuses on removing impurities and restoring smooth, healthy skin. Stay until the end to enjoy the full transformation. What is deep pore cleaning? Deep pore cleaning is a skincare treatment that removes dirt, oil, and impurities from inside the pores. Over time, these impurities can build up and cause blackheads and uneven texture. This treatment helps improve overall skin health. Skin preparation. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. Steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside. This makes extraction easier and safer. Extraction process. Using professional tools, blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. Each extraction is done slowly to avoid irritation. This step is the most satisfying part of the treatment. Skin soothing. After extraction, soothing products are applied. These help calm the skin and reduce redness. Hydration restores the skin barrier. Final results. After the treatment, the pores appear cleaner and the skin looks smoother. Regular deep pore cleaning helps maintain clear skin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.